Hey! Wait! Hey! Fuck out!
I beg, Oga.
Okay, I beg. Now, Chris, the warrior. Okay, I beg. Okay, no good. Okay, I beg. I beg, Oga. Madam, beg, Oga, I beg. We are finished. We don't, our own don't be.
Can I post this thing now?
What's the pursue? Okay. I don't face the one you for this house. You see him? You too. Even when you want pour the water, you all know they don't use water kiss nothing.
Village people.
You see him? You don't see him now. No problem. In short, make I give myself punishment before God will come.
Village people.
And what are you doing?
What do it look like?
Diana, please don't make me laugh. Nobody asked you to leave. Why do you want to?
So now, until Oga come carry police, come arrest me. Now you go no say this in silence, no be better one. If now you wait till you go do. You know, since I go carry water, go pour for Oga expensive shoe. I no blame her there and that stupid Cletus. Now my village people now I blame. They tell me say when I go find work for city, say they go follow me. And now they tell me say I no go succeed.
Well, that one is your own cup of tea. If you like, sentence yourself to a life imprisonment when the judge has not passed a sentence on you. Madam is calling you.
Hey! Tracy! Hey, my village people love. Madam Tracy!
The pitch is 100% ready, sir, and so I am.
Beautiful idea, Mrs. Michelle. I will have my secretary set up a date for you and inform you via email. Is that okay by you?
Absolutely okay, sir.
Top of the day to you.
Same to you, sir. Thank you so much. All right, bye.
Common sense should have told you to at least wait because you saw me in the middle of a meeting. Or didn't you see me?
Madam, no vex. My attention, cause Madam, I beg. Before you talk anything, I beg. I won't make you help me beg, Oga. I don't want to lose my job. Madam, I beg.
Diana.
Yes, Madam.
I have already pleaded with Oga on your behalf. And I'm sure he has forgiven you, or at least he will forgive you. Now you're going to do something for me. When he returns from work, make sure you go to him and apologize. Do you understand?
Yes, ma. Madam,
Scared.
Madam, Madam, God go bless you for me. This is ready for me today. I go revenge.
Diana.
Madam.
You will what? Revenge?
No. No, na good revenge now they talk. Na good revenge. Good go they pursue you from left, from center, anywhere you they go, Madam. Madam, thank you. Thank you, ma.
Amen. After all, we never fuck up before.
Of course I fucked up. Who never fuck up, hands in the air? Hey, no hands.
Hey. Have crazy bunch of domestic workers.
for start. Okay, go and open the gate. As if fight come, you have any odds of you to fight it.
Oh, Tracy, wait. And because of the open gate, let me come wake me up from sleep.
Oh. Just to open gate, Abby. Stay there. No. Stay there.
Jesus Christ. Wait.
What is taking this guy? Why is it taking him so long for crying out loud?
Okay, that is how they behave. It's only when they see you around. That is why all of them start doing eye service, especially these littles.
Oh, okay. Huh? Driving.
How can a well-paid gate man be behaving like this? Look at all the time we have wasted waiting only for him to open it. If we are running for something now, this is how they will meet us here.
Are they driving? I'll deal with him.
No, okay, this is annoying. Upon that, he earns more salary more than me. It's as if he has second than me.
Why my friend driving?
Wait, sorry, sir. Okay, sorry, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Why did it take you forever to open the gate?
Sorry, sir.
You're sorry. I'll soon give you something to be really sorry about.
So I beg, no verse, I beg.
Hello. How are you? How's everything?
Whoa. Take it easy.
Are you all right? Are you okay? It's okay. That's great. Hold on. Check your ankles. Is everything all right?
It's fine.
Don't worry about that. That's great. It's all right. It's okay. Okay, take it easy. This stairs need to be fixed. Okay. 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 Are you all right?
Yeah,
Great. All right. So.
No, did you hear what Oga said?
What's your talk?
I don't know wrong enough. I'm telling you, one day you and all your eye service colleagues for this compound, all of them will lose this place. All of them will leave. You will get out of this place. I've had enough. I mean, enough of your negligence, gross negligence to work. This is too bad of you. How can you be so maleficent and magnificent?
Come here. Idiot. Not that nonsense for your life. Blessing no get sense. Yeah, colleague, yeah. Blessing, be with it. Not that nonsense again now. You gotta say they drive motor, mumu. No get respect.
You couldn't possibly believe in anything of the sort. Come on. Honey, I've been trying to talk to you. And I really have tried. And you've persistently kept me on the back burner with this cold shoulder. You're not going to do this to me forever, babe. Talk to me. What's going on? Michelle, talk to me now. What is it?
Mr. Trust, Gogo. What do you want me to say? What exactly do you want me to say? Haven't you tormented me enough?
How do you mean? Babe, how do you mean, babe? Talk to me. What is it?
Look, Trust. I know your mom has been on your neck for you to give her a grandchild. But I did not choose not to have a child. God knows I have been trying.
Babe, grandchild. What are you talking about? I already have a son and you know this.
Yes, I do. That hasn't stopped your mom from trying so hard for you to get married to your baby mama. Especially now that I have not been able to give you a child.
Okay. So now, you believe that I'm sleeping with a cook because you haven't gotten pregnant for me? Because you don't have a child with me? Sweetheart, this insecurity situation, we're going to have to handle it. And handle it properly. Because if it's not handled, it'll cause a big problem for us in this marriage. The cook.
You don't see you. I don't first they tell you for this house. Say, "Ola, go come on." You see this house. See, now me be the first person where they employ for this house. Only you see you, Tracy. This nonsense where you Tracy they do. That one, I will also talk to that one. But all of una, I go talk to una. The way una go to understand. Now me be the first person where they employ for this house.
Keep quiet.
Don't go ever. Can't go up against me for here.
Quiet.
I go
Close your mouth.
I go enter kitchen, make a collect food. Tracy go talk. He say if Cletus not your first. Oh, so now you dey more important now. I don't tell you. All of una go leave this house for me. As the first employer, una say they just they jealous me.
Ade,
una go leave this town for me.
Ade, I bet am. If you want back, move bet am. I go bet am.
You want bet am?
Ade, see, don't provoke me, oh. Don't provoke me. You feel say you come here turn the chance me, abi? You will be Ade, you leave your papa land, will be Yoruba land. You come here, you come the ginger me for here, for my own place. Ade. Now what
hey, you see that thing where people they say ignorance is a disease. That what you are ignorant.
But they know it's
if they tell you now, they will tell you something Yoruba boy because they hear say Ade. Okay, wait, make I ask you one question. Wait, because you hear Ade. Your mind they tell you now say this is what you thought say you did correct. Make I tell you if you don't know. When I dey drive Ibadan, what did they call me Omeku? Now, the downfall what they go from Ibadan to Lagos, from Lagos back to Ibadan to Lekki, they will go enter Ebe. From that Ebe, we will come Morocco, Sanfield. What did they call me that time like Ade Bendel? So because the thing come for some people don't they put the Bendel, they call me Ade, they think they call it. Let me if you make I tell you my name, I go tell you my name. Don't they talk that thing? Me when we one I'm with you, no one. Can I see you are talking this rubbish?
I thought you don't speak Igbo again.
Even if na Yoruba or Yoruba, not be one Nigeria.
Ade,
we not be the same thing, not be one Nigeria.
Ade, don't worry. You go sit in the apple. Shebi na me you dey this house.
If you born,
make Tracy give you food, Mercy.
Okay.
Make Tracy give you food, Mercy.
So not true.
I don't even get talk with you. When I go do my work.
So not true. So na gang up with this, huh? Okay, I say these people they jealous me because I always they drive or I go there inside AC, not like because I they fresh. All of them they gang up against me. Okay, so that highway where they do now your room they do. So now you they do hook up with them. It's okay, no problem. Make I go see Tracy first. Tracy.
Okay, ma.
Tracy,
Ma?
are you planning on taking over my home?
Ma?
I said, are you planning on taking over my home?
Sorry, ma.
How can you be so irresponsible in your dressing? Just look at what you're putting on. Do you have any atom of sense whatsoever that you're in a married woman's house? Huh?
Sorry, ma.
Better drag that rubbish down, my friend. Turn around. What nonsense. Bring it down. Such an irresponsible brat. Now, let me warn you. This should be the very last time you will dress in such an irresponsible manner in my home. Do you understand?
Yes, ma. Sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. Rubbish.
Sorry, ma. What?
More what? No, if you reach my turn, you can get mad. They say, what? You see your plan, they don't expose her. Madam don't catch you now. I talk and say, lead us not into temptation. Now people like you, that made the right of outside Bible. Me will be Christian. I came into this home spirit-filled. Because I didn't want any distraction in any form, because heaven is the goal. Every time you go there, where this nonsense?
Ade,
What's it?
get out.
From where?
Get out from this kitchen.
Okay, so that's when Madam talk not true. You won't come take over Madam's house. You won't come take over Madam's house. Oh, you don't go.
Ade, get out! Get out from here.
And food and comfort. Me and Oga won't go dinner party. So I want chop first for house before I come out. I'm the useful play.
2 days.
Eh?
2 days you will not see food in this house.
Eh? You say what? Not try. Hey, it's where you don't try.
Hey, mommy. Welcome, mommy.
Michelle.
Yes, mommy. How was your trip?
Fine. I want to ask you something.
Okay.
Michelle,
Yes, sir.
you have been unable to give me a grandchild. And I think it is time for you to leave. Yes, because I will stop at nothing to say the woman that has an heir for my son to take her rightful place. Meanwhile, Michelle, this is so beautiful.
Hey. Breakfast is ready. Ta-da!
You cooked?
And I'll keep doing this until I get a new cook. Let's take this away first.
I'm lost.
You don't need to be my love. I sent Tracy away because I could no longer cope with her presence in this house anymore.
Maybe I have to do that.
Do you have a problem with that?
Look, I stopped you from cooking because you're asthmatic. You think I'm going to let you back in the kitchen to start cooking? It's not going to work. So what is done is done. But until we get another person, we're going to eat out. Starting from tonight.
Yes.
Mira.
No!
Yes.
No, Joe.
Yes, Joe. But this is really nice, though.
Thank you. The best cook in town.
Mo, are they hungry? Are they very, very hungry? They carry food, give security, and all of us supposed to come out. See, this one not the almost finish food.
No, my brother, I just tired.
Right now, call the I already yawn inside.
My throat, they pain me. Just the get.
I don't know whether.
Okay, she don't bring the food. And I they bring food since.
You already roll like ball, they come. And then drop food. I want my hunger finish person first before I bring food.
Oh, so my food plenty like this one, no.
Wait, that's what you talk, wait. Ah! Ojoro don't enter. Wait. Why you be selling my food now small pass? You know, for this house, I mean the only person where they do hard job for this house.
Okay, keep quiet.
You know if you to drive, you're on an open gate close.
Okay, they easy to drive.
No problem now.
They easy to drive. Me with the gym gate every day. I go gym this
Now
gate.
we get it. Wait, come. Before I chop this food, this one way be saying I use serve us. Bless you and Tracy don't plan something. She dey sick.
Why they ask me?
No, because like Tracy is supposed to serve us this food. You can't serve them.
I don't even know that.
I don't want chop cook on me.
Okay. Tracy don't go.
Where you go?
Person madam pursue this money. No see her.
He good now. He talk so. You don't even took stay self. I think say by now self if she for don't go. It too.
I don't start.
Oh
yeah.
Which one we don't start?
Hey.
Don't go. I don't say I there for that girl body.
Oh yeah.
My eye everybody, Tracy. Of all people. Inside my eye to do Tracy body, it better say I go, that girl when they sell like for this thing. Nonsense.
My dear.
Tracy don't go. Madam Bosham. You don't even push on time. Madam no push on. You see what that girl they do for this house? Okay, see you now. See gown where you wear. You don't sound like don't be decent and well presentable. Tracy, now you go carry and come reach up here. If you ask her, you go say that short, show belly. What you call that nonsense? What you talk? You say show leg, gown. Say because a nyash too big, one over and they pump the nyash. Say it big, say the thing called the lifting cloth they come up. You get the day why I even bend down while they pray. I come down like this, I don't even see everything where they're under. Tracy, what did she do? You go do. So that you can bring the girl come down here. In breast go remember come out from inside the bra. Whether they wear bra, I don't even know. Cause that girl get mission. Every day if okay go they give Oga green light. I don't know say madam this year. Madam I dey open like this year. You don't know.
I'm a boy.
The other day they dance. They shake waist. That waist one don't know when I pump the pumper. They shake and so it is say Oga they come is I know so na madam. It's not they shake and come like that madam catch up. What did madam do on that day?
So, you want them that say like everybody will wear short skirts. Now they give Oga green lights. Eh?
Now the kind of way they like gossip.
What of when Oga go out? How madam go know where they give them green lights? Now they talk.
You see you Bless you get plan.
I'm concerned now. I think
I want you.
this food now just
you
down.
Madam love Oga. You don't even love Oga pass any other thing. You know they use Oga play. So if like your plan to they give Oga green light, you just Tracy take go, now so you go take go.
We can tell you now. Oga not my type.
No well.
Show me your type.
See, as soon as I come this house, heaven is the goal. I am focused and married to Jesus. I am not in.
Okay, shut up. Shut up your mouth.
Don't make me lose this heavenly race. You dey hear me?
You're working with the most beautiful woman in the house. It's just a confident. Ooh. Yes, take your time, take your time.
Madam, the madam. Okay. No vex, I beg. You just, as you beat me from mine, I will talk up. Kai! Madam. Oh! But are you too fine?
Are they?
Thank you. No vex. If I don't marry person will be like madam, make I be like this. It will say you be land. You did for estate. Like if it's one. Make I don't go maybe take the drive like this now. I'm going to look for bank because of madam.
I'm driving myself today, yeah? And the key over. Thank you.
Okay.
And the key over. And the keys over, thank you. I'll take the keys. I left wine in there for you guys. MLP wine. Drink responsibly and take care of the house. I'm going out with my very beautiful wife. Thank you.
Okay, carry on, madam. Joy! Wait, I thought Martin. You know, some of these rich men, if you praise their wife like this, they like her because they look well before they bring it. So mad. I mean, sleep like that's a dream of madam. To like this woman. Oga say he leave wine for his side. Cletus now will come here, come follow me, they drag bottom. Okay, say I leave some wine inside. You say they don't have some wine for your side of the fridge. Now today I will show Cletus to happy. Make her see and come follow me. Oh, okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
So na confirm.
Cletus, how Oga take the plate is big? Make I don't go press forward. You know the click?
They on by yourself sometimes.
Hey, I don't spoil them. Hey. You don't stop.
No spoil Oga did you. Now this one what Oga remain now. What's in be? Which one waiting me that?
Cletus.
What's happened?
Cletus.
What's it?
No be that.
What's it happen? Now wait, what be this now? What's happen?
What you want to do?
For the drink now, make you ginger us away. No.
Cletus, this thing no they go for person body. This thing that what people go drink. If all they drink like this, they think will not for the head. Some go become man, some go laugh, they misbehave. Now you want to decide drink where I go follow on a drink. You say they support them.
Cletus, put down.
I bet will be this guy.
Juma, put down.
Why they do like you? You don't know what thing this thing they do for body.
You know.
You when they sleep up and down. If you know say if you take this thing like this now, you go dey very, very, very alert. Man, I tell you what you know. This thing na herbs. As it says, it dry so. Now only when you smoke them, now it go dey affect you. Like this time, if you put them for drink, like this time, you don't go even hide yourself. You know strong because this kind of thing normally they go put them, you go ferment for like 3, 4, 5 days. Sometimes 1 week self before you go feel high you. You don't know. This one not go too high you. I don't know why they always do like you, man. Put this thing, you could just do.
They go give me put them.
Chemistry students. Chemistry students.
This boy they Jones so. Give me. You know if you put this thing.
You know if you open now. You know something.
What am I open now?
Oh, put.
Oh, okay.
I look for me first.
Cletus.
No call my name again.
I've been saying you look for my own.
Put this thing, put down. If you don't want to drink, make it there. You need 3 days, you need fumigate where before you go even high you. This one now no go do you anything.
Oh.
You know
the fumigate too?
Yes, now I'm the monkey tail.
First.
Who?
You know.
Why?
Hey! Omo.
You drink them?
Hey, now.
I think say you get mind this boy. Drink this thing. Why they do like this?
I don't get my thing.
You go give you ginger. Drink this thing.
This thing now. Oga no day. No fear.
This boy too dey fear. Drink this thing.
How you put plate pants?
Take this thing.
No, I get both.
See, you know what this boy want to do? You want to report us, Abi? Hold this thing.
Oh, whatever they do, like, okay, no problem.
Drink this thing, okay? All of us will drink it. So nobody will report each other. Drink this thing. It good, it good. You do like man, take this. You don't finish your own. You don't want to take it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, drink.
I just want to drink.
Okay, drink this thing.
Come here.
Yeah, you say it makes sense. Okay, what are they doing? Make her play music. Ma play music.
Play music.
Ma play.
Don't finish up.
You want my umbrella? This one my. Okay. This one. See, I beg. I don't want to hear this thing for anybody mouth too.
Oh, it's good for body.
A minute, just listen to me. I honestly have no desire for any other woman on earth. I have eyes for only you. Can you just trust me for 1 minute and believe that I'm not doing anything funny? Just believe me. Babe. Babe, it's What is this? What is this? Oh. No wonder nobody came to open the gate. You can't imagine the audacity. This is the last straw. People get out here. Oh, okay. You know what? Security!
Okay, wait.
The audacity. Can you believe? Can you just believe the nonsense? I can't imagine how all the students of this place behave. The audacity is what really riles me. Inside the whole situation, Are we still quarreling? Babe, are we still quarreling?
Quarrel? Really? I never knew we were quarreling.
Babe, I'm serious. I didn't get anyone's phone number. I didn't.
Then who is Lucy? Who is Lucy?
Who is Lucy? Who is Lucy?
Look, trust. You have never had any name like Lucy in your contact before. I'm very sure you got that contact while we were at that event. So tell me how exactly that name got into your phone.
I mean, oh shoot. I totally forgot about it. That person you mentioned to me, the event lady. That's the one. The one, the other lady that does events.
Wait. You mean Lucy Palmer?
Yeah.
The Canadian event manager?
That same one.
Jesus Christ. Babe, how did you do it? She's a celebrity, she's an icon, a legend. How were you able to, make her? How did you get her number?
I just asked for it.
Come on, you would have told me earlier now. Oh my God. I love her. Oh wow, Lucy Palmer.
Baby, I'm running late as it is, so I need to fly after work.
Sweetheart, you're a big shot in that company. Why do you have to go to work every day? I mean, why can't you just work at home like me?
This is what you want.
Yeah?
Okay.
Really?
I mean, I said okay, I didn't say yes. Those two things are very different and mutually exclusive. And I love you. Come here. Okay, you know what?
I can quickly fix something for you. Baby, I'm truly sorry. I had to call them back.
Honey, honestly, there are lots of people out there who don't have jobs. We could have just given the jobs out to them.
I know, my love. But just look at it this way. They have been with us from the onset, even before we got married. There are certain glow these guys bring to your face, babe. And there's a certain kind of love they give to us that I've never felt anywhere else. Please, my love, forgive them their flaws and take them back. Please.
No. Sit down now. Sorry. Like, sit down, don't do them again. The same thing every single time. Every time, offense. Why? Just don't do that. International criminals. Give me face like say, now people. You. Every time you take my car out, forming James Bond. That means I will drive past me. Yo. My friends see you and tell me all the time. One time when he carried one girl inside my car, he used to carry that girl. The same, one black short girl, like almost dwarf like this. You know, this girl leave bad body odor inside my car.
Jesus.
I had to take it to the cleaners. Acid, now they wipe the body odor come out. Was smelling badly. This one, on your own. Food. Beginning and end of all your problems. Food. Have you eaten today? Once you enter that kitchen, watch. First thing, one bowl of apple. Oh, yeah, go to your beauty post.
Exactly.
Yeah. Come on. See, my gate is not weight in the gym. The way you should fling it, boing. Please, that gate is very expensive. Handle it gently. See, someone saying, think he's smart. Have you eaten today? I'll find someone to do that.
That's it. Thank you so much, I love You're not my friend anymore.
Oh, babe, the one and together forever. So tell me now, there's a secret I've always wanted to tell. Give me your hand.
Yes, baby.
Broke up.
Yes, break am. Break the gate. Eh? Break am. Ochuku. Ochuku, come here. Ochuku, what's happened? What did they do here?
Your mother pursue me now. She said she not feed me again.
Hi, God.
She just give me transport and your address for constable.
Ochuku, you carry belle come here. Why you and my mama they like wicked person? Eh? When I want them pursue me come for this small work, why they money?
What do you want more do? Now you give me belle now.
You know what, eh? Just come. Come inside, come. Go. Come here. Stay here. Diana. How far now? Madam will look for you. If I say she go back.
Okay, I don't hear.
They go now.
They go now.
Now they hear what? Nothing they do all of now.
So, your name is Stephanie?
Stephanie. Madam, my name is Nakachi.
But Stephanie is what is written here.
Stephanie. Who there? Oh, okay, madam. That one is my nickname. 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 Yes.
Who writes a nickname on a CV? Anyways, Akachi.
Madam.
I am one of those people who do not believe that mere documentation can qualify you for a job.
Bless you.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how well can you cook?
Scale. 1, 2, Madam 3.
What are you doing?
Madam 4.
What are you doing?
Madam, boy, he said I make a scale the scaling 1 to 10. Scaling the scaler and the scaling up.
God. Okay. How well can you cook?
Can I cook? Madam, I can cook. Hey, I can cook. I am a greater cook. Madam, I cooked everything. Madam, I cooked Oyibo clean hand.
Can you make fisherman soup or at least seafood okra? Yes.
So, fisherman soup. Hey, see those big fish. Madam, that one is small thing. Leave it for me. I do it everything. I cook it everything. You will bite your hand, madam. For house, I go spoil you.
Achachi,
madam,
we're just going to do something very simple, right? I will put you through a cooking test, and if you pass it, then the job is yours.
You say again? Madam, say it again. You gave me the job. Hey! Madam, just like that. Hey! Madam, just like that. Omiyuku. Jehovah that answereth by fire. Okay. You will be my God, Jehovah. Elohim Eshedai. Oh, Mama Siamasi. Oh, Jehovah. Onye ebere. Thank you, Jesus. Imegoremia. Hi, Brakatalo Botachan Patalanta Tata. Shimaraganda Judah. Oh, Lala Jehovah Jaire. Imegomia. Hey, I don't know how to thank you, Lord. Imegomia.
So, before I say what I called you all together, I would like to introduce a new cook. Her name is Akachi. Please make her feel welcome.
Praise the Lord.
Oh, hallelujah, my sister. Oh, no. Akio. Akio.
Elohim. Eshedai. Jehovah Jireh. Hey!
For the
Hallelujah. Hellfire.
Madam, no be you say make her they comfortable. What I want to do if them on near me.
Ade,
Ma?
that hug was uncalled for. Please respect yourself.
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Anyways, meet your new instructor.
See this.
His name is Mr. Clifford. He's an expert in training operational staff and helping them to become better at what they do. And that is why we have employed him to train you all. Good.
Thank you, madam. Madam, I know so you get our interest for heart. But madam, no verse, I beg. Don't be offended. With due respect. This Peking where you bring come here, you don't finish primary school. Eh? Hey, where you? Your mama knows you there. You want to my attention. If I talk to you, if I talk you in Instagram, don't worry you. When I be like you, I suppose they have by this time they wash plate.
Yes, now.
What's your problem? They hear it. He used me study. How dare you address me in such a cold and derogatory manner?
Madam, this one go hard though. You go hard though.
I don't keep with name boss. No, when they talk the one way you talk another. Who tell her my name? Who tell her my name? Wait, now you, I know you don't say you shall be talking anyhow. So now you tell her my name.
Ade, I told you all he's a professional. So I submitted your names to him and he identified you immediately while we're working.
Wow.
So your lecture begins tomorrow with Mr. Clifford. Mr. Clifford, please, your new students. You may leave.
This room fire, other room fire, everybody fire, let's room fire, everybody fire, Diana room fire, oh, fire everywhere, fire, everybody fire, fire, everybody fire, Diana fire, fire, everywhere fire.
We should just go and chill.
Let me fire. Plenty fire. Fire. Up and down. Fire. Everywhere fire. This room fire. Other room fire. Everybody fire. Cletus room fire. Everybody fire. Diana room fire. Oh. Fire. My father. Fire. I need plenty fire. Oh, bakadla shit balandun la lun la binda. Oh, la kisa balang. Oh, sakapata la pala kashipanila. Fire everywhere I go. Fire down. Fire. Holy Ghost fire everywhere I go. Fire. Oh, la my father. My father overcome me. May the mountain for my fault block me. Hey!
Stop that rubbish. All of you, sit on the floor. Hurry up! Akachi, we appreciate the fact that you love God and that you're very active in prayers. But please, this is an estate. People need to sleep and rest. Stop shouting. Besides, God is not even deaf or dumb. need to shout before God will hear your prayers. Please. Do you understand me? Now, get back to your rooms. Hurry up. Move. Get out here. Bunch of non-entities.
It's okay. Now, pardon my grandiloquency, but you must take cognizance of the pertinence of these virtues. For without them, you cannot deliver a stellar, scrupulous, and infallible service. Do you comprehend? Wake up! Young lady, why are you sleeping in my class? Stand up! Okay, now, what did I say about finesse?
Everything talk.
Do I know?
Shut up! How would you know? You vacuous, repugnant, sardonic, and malodorous imbecile.
Hey!
Oga,
Thank you.
now for just this small sleep, where I just sleep, now they speak all this big English for my small head. Eh?
What? Thank you. I thought I said that what it should be. You speculacious, delicious.
Ade.
Will you shut up? Carlos, bring me down.
Single, praise the Lord. My sister, the husband can say hello. Now God will bless you and for your family. Now your head is for you to make money.
What is this? Hey, you. What is this? You have to clean up this mess. You have to clean it up.
Good morning. Here. You talk to the house.
What is it?
No dancing. I'm not dancing. Help, I'm not dancing. Sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
You know what? Let me help you.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sorry, sir.
What?
Yeah?
You want to kill me?
No, sir.
You want to kill me? No, what is this? What? No! I'll deal with you! What is this?
She wants to kill you. Don't mind her. That's how she behaves.
You don't get anything about you!
Now, waiting in my hole. That's what they do. Don't mind her. Don't mind her.
I'll deal with you!
He will deal with you.
I'll deal with you!
He will deal with you.
What is all this?
Yes,
I'll what?
he will deal with you.
What?
Eh?
Get my heart!
Your heart there is there, your head.
I said my heart!
Oh, okay. Your cap. Yeah, no problem, sir.
Sorry, sir.
No, I'll deal with you!
Sorry.
No!
Sorry.
Sorry, sir.
Give me that! I'll deal with you!
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
He said he will deal with you.
Don't worry! Don't worry! You!
You know,
I'll deal with you!
but you said,
No!
but why you call the I said,
Shall we say?
not the hear all the grammar when they speak. You know, see the insults when you give me. Eh?
I know.
All those big grammar.
You know, say you wicked. That door, wait, I'm malicious, delicious, and everything. I'm just saying you. It's okay. Go to start. You walk continue.
Ochuko. set. My baby. No follow, I beg. Come on, see I. Hello, Oscar. Yummy. Self, go, your body to the sweetie. Jesus.
So, babes, you know what? On a more serious note, what is it that you're afraid of? I mean, from my end, I believe Trust loves you. Honestly. And he shows it. So I don't get what it is that you are so scared of.
You don't seem to understand the kind of woman I'm talking about.
Okay.
This woman wields so much power and influence over her son. She ordered for him to come back to Nigeria and even to buy this big house you're seeing.
Wait, what?
Yes.
Now what for this kind of woman? Are you serious?
Now, here, exactly why I am scared. If I don't act very fast, with the way this woman is going, she's going to have me thrown out of my matrimonial home.
God forbid.
Exactly. That God forbid, I don't want it. So, I can't bear the shame.
No. Are you serious? Whoa.
My baby's back.
Oh, sure.
I have to tell you, honestly, this Akachi girl is a great cook.
Well, Mr. T, are you trying to make my friend jealous?
No, not at all.
So what are you saying?
No, you know what? She knows that I know that she's the world's best cook. I'm just saying that, you know, baby, you know that. But the thing is, since the day that I found her passed out on the floor of the kitchen because she was frying something, I told myself she's no longer cooking. You know, so babe, yeah, she's the only one I have, and I'm going to make sure that she stays with me for a really long time.
See, you see this game?
That's why they make noise.
Now they pay house rent.
We begin collect woto.
When are they for Ikeja? When they close to Ekpe?
Calm down.
Very close to Lekki.
Leave plenty talk with the talk. Move play game. If I know she you now, don't sit with me.
Just a look now. I talk up.
So I just share rubbish.
I talk as I go finish you now. Look, we do. I'll give you this one. I'll give you this one. Pick two first. Just pick two first. Don't just shut up. Then continue. Quick. Quick. You will see say game. You will see say me na game. You don't understand? Game when you take play. See, what would they do calculate here?
Oga.
For Ikeja.
Play game. Then they make noise.
For my house right there. We're very close to.
Play. I don't spoil them for you now.
Is this a spoiler? Cletus, what do you want to do about this your girl?
What's happened to my girl?
I see they here now. You know, see, if you just find out one day, see she did here. I know what we do.
Again, I threw it all cool. But like this now, I don't get choice. So what's I do be say? I tell her make she go stay with Tracy for now. You understand? And they call my mama. My mama no dey pick my call again.
Who be Tracy?
Which other Tracy we know? Tracy we know now.
Our former cook.
Tracy now. I got play game self. Just they like wahala.
No, but Clayton, I just say you get sense. Now I don't say you don't get common sense. Tracy, where they do hook up? You want me Tracy carry your woman give man?
High take no.
Tracy na Rosgel now. What you the time who don't know Tracy? See now where they waka they come out they come. Now we they know things, they see things, they happen from this.
Wait, we don't catch Tracy anywhere before.
Me? Today, all your kind of people who did this area, all the keke people who did this area, that Tracy be their regular customer. You just say tell about those cats what did they hear? Tracy go just carry your woman give man.
See,
that's the way they do.
I beg. I don't want to hear that one. I don't want insult. Anything concern insult reach my woman's side. I don't want to hear them. I beg. Who shall be said? My woman, you don't forget my woman. They carry belly. I beg. Stop.
Cletus.
Stop.
You don't know say men of these days that women wait them. Yes. You should say no woman.
Who else spoil that gate? Hey, Cletus. Allah God use you. Who be that? Cletus. What's happened?
You say me a woman. Cletus, go now before I go find out. Go here. You don't think I go come out from inside that up parlor.
Wait. Not Chukwu be that way. You like say not Chukwu.
Go now, go check.
Look at him.
Wait. Can't see you for camera. You know, see this camera we dey here now.
What I go do?
Go on this side, so. Wait. Just wait.
Make her wait, do it. If she did there, you say she carry belle.
Wait now, wait. You can't do this kind of thing, you dey crazy. Wait.
You dey love.
Who's banging the gate like that? Diana! Go to the gate and find out what's happening there. And tell Cletus to report to me. I just come back. What's about the... Even like a better self. So yes, she is an amazing cook, you know.
Cletus, so now here you sit down, they talk. You know the yesterday person, they not forget. Oga the vex for you.
Now Jehovah Witness people, they knock there. Now Jehovah Witness people, and then they knock.
Jehovah Witness, they won't give us magazine.
I don't tell you, now you sabi. Better go open gates.
What I would do is no go anywhere. Don't see this guy, they talk anywhere. Wait. Eh?
Guy, what's up with you, man? What's the person with you?
You ask you, that me follow you give a belly.
I'm done with this baseless accusations and this baseless insecurities about everything. I'm done with it. This is impossible.
So why are you stopping me from going with you? If you don't have anything to hide, why are you stopping me from going with you?
To work with me? To question my secretary if I'm dating her or not? Think about it.
Trust. I put it to you, so I'm having an affair with her.
Babe, we've been married 5 years, 5 whole years, and I've never, ever given you any opportunity to doubt my fidelity. So why won't you just trust me?
Trust you? I should trust you because your name is Trust? Huh? Look, I am following you to that office and I'll make sure I talk to that bitch to stay away from my husband.
No, you're not going to.
Watch me.
You're not going to.
I am going with you.
You're not going anywhere.
I am going with you.
Yes, sir. I'm coming, sir. I'm coming. Yes, sir.
Calm down.
What do you mean?
They look gorgeous and different. Hold on to you, Mr. Clifford. Great work.
I am taking cognizance of how detailed they have been since you started training them. Thank you for making us have valuable.
Thank you.
A round of applause for my instructor.
Now, sir, if you'd allow me, I would love to roll on as I've got an appointment to catch up with.
Yeah, thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, man. Thanks, sir.
Bye.
Listen, you need to go anymore like that. What's the amount of hit that ground? That's crazy.
Difference between you and your workers. Like employers, like employees.
Hello? Yeah, Mom? Mom? Huh? No, you're kidding, Mom. You're at the airport. No jokes. Okay. Yes, Mom. Pronto. All right, Mom. All right, see you soon. Babe, my mom is in the country. She just said she wanted to surprise us. I'm going to run to the airport to get her right now. Okay, so let me do that. Please put things in order. I'll be right back. I think was outside. I did.
Thank you. Jay.
Hey, babe.
Papa Bear,
Here's one.
what is this? What? Huh? Oh, these furnitures are old.
I plan to change them by next year, okay? First thing next year, I'll change them.
Huh? Huh? A home with a good wife would have done that before now. Oh, yes?
It's okay, Mom. Let's just fix it.
Anyways, take me to my room. My bones need rest.
Babe, please help me take Mom to her room, okay?
Trust?
Yes, Mom.
Take me to my room. Huh?
Okay, Mom, let's go. Let's go. You need to rest, okay? It's all right. You need to rest. So, let's go. It's okay. Let's go.
Hey.
Hey.
Prince Charming, how are you doing?
Oh, sweetie, he was actually fine until you ask. Come here. Come here, boy.
Listen, I may not know a lot of things, but I know something for sure. And that is the season we're in. It's a season to show love, or at least pretend to be. So please, darling, let's not spoil this positive attitude.
Okay. Merry Xmas in advance.
Merry Christmas in advance.
Don't worry, I'll go prepare something for you to eat, okay? That's my boy. Darling, I really admire your domestic staff. You know, you have the best of the lot.
Thank you, Essence. My name's Trosto, not darling.
Come on, Papa Bear. It is only an affectionate term that can be used by anybody.
In the right situation, yes, but in this situation, it's totally inappropriate.
How? Michelle, my dear, how do you feel? 5 years in your marriage, no issue.
Mom.
Let her talk.
I'm pregnant.
What?
What did you like to my mom?
I didn't lie to your mom. I've missed my period. And I'm seeing some symptoms, but I just wanted to be sure before telling you.
Is that like saying that you're pregnant?
Yeah. Yes.
But
Hilda, you're not listening to me. You don't understand. This woman was ready to have me thrown out of my matrimonial home. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what else. I just had to lie. I don't know any kind of miracle right now, but I was thinking of something, right? What if I meet someone else? I mean, anyone. Ida, look, right now, yeah? I didn't even know when I said that. Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. See, let me quickly talk to my pastor. And then, maybe we'll come up with a prayer, something about it. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Madam, tell me.
Cletus.
Ma?
You have been harboring your pregnant girlfriend in this company.
Hey, Jesus, madam. Madam, I beg. Now the handwork of the devil, I beg, madam. Hey, Jesus Christ.
And I have every intention to tell my husband.
Hey, madam, I beg. We are won't go. Madam, I beg. We are won't go. When they pay me money, the way they pay me. I beg.
Now, listen to me and listen very carefully. I will sponsor your pregnant girlfriend's new apartment and also give you some money for upkeep, just in case you need to buy anything for her.
Hey.
But on one condition, that you will do anything and whatsoever I will ask you to do.
Hey, madam, anything you want for this life. Anything you want, I go do it. Hey, madam, I don't do it finish, madam. Hey, anything you want, madam. Eh? For this life, as long as I have this life, I must do it. Good evening, ma.
Good evening. Sit.
Michelle, you are not. You are not without a child.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, peace be unto this house.
Hilda.
Mr. T,
How's it going?
what's going on here? Why are you holding her like she hurt herself? What's with this?
Can we invite this girl?
Pregnancy never reached 2 weeks from what I heard.
But sorry for this one. Thank you.
You also tired. You will get tired. Take it from me. I know how this works. This is serious.
You want?
Yes, babe.
Look, I have to fly now. I have a quick meeting to attend to, but I'll be back before you say I'm rambling on.
No,
I'll pick you up something from
Oh, I love that.
Eat anything, let me know.
Baby.
Don't worry, she's in good hands. Bye. Bye. Hello, Mrs.
I'm about to carry come out.
Babes. Babes.
Let's carry come just out of me.
Can't I check on you again? Anyways, your husband is gone. Level with me. This is our pregnancy, Sha. This miracle.
Your voice disturb my picking. Kai.
It's too spontaneous. Don't blame me for being quite interested.
What do you want to hear?
The truth.
It's my husband's child. Shh. We have workers here. What's the worry? My husband get a picking now.
What did I do?
Too like a boy, I beg.
Sorry. Sorry.
You're supposed to be petting me now.
Oh, yeah.
Rub my back.
Sorry, but it's too early for all this.
I say rub my back. See the worry.
Rub your back at this stage.
Then just put your hand and rub them.
Spring Road, Spring Road. Okay. Now come. Must be Sorry. Hold. We're here.
Okay.
You're here for me, okay?
All right.
I will call you, yeah? Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, right.
see motor when I just wash finish. Eh? Our time go just the pour dust. If you like say I no wash. Okay, go come out now, go begin the holler for me. You see, but this thing no they give me to work. Oh. Today is a celebration. Eh? When I supposed to go boogie and dance, eh? I see the country disturb me. Now I just clean and quick. Okay, go see say as a be rock. Eh? Wait till I go rock today, eh? This what is.
Ade, talk. Come. It's how far now? See what I tell you, make you don't check them.
I just a clean motor because I say if I finish now, I won't go pack them for where people go to see us. So that people where they come for the party.
Oga, don't be that one be the problem. If okay, they don't get back everywhere. If you come, I don't go open gate for you.
I say me open gate.
She don't run up. She don't do that.
Don't do a finish. Don't cook a finish.
When?
Everything don't enter. I don't meet you say like we don't want the package. Everything already.
Come, Ade.
Eh?
Hope say tell her. Make she no go carry that thing. Go put aside. Guess they are cool out.
I tell them. No, I go.
You know what you go result to?
I go tell them. Make I finish this thing now because I don't want to make Oga come and begin.
You too they forget.
I will go tell them. But wait to come first. Now ask him.
What's up?
I know to understand you as you be said. Wait. This thing where you wear Christmas still day on. Come on, this thing maybe like go come.
This thing still worry you. Not be Christmas to celebrate.
Cletus. Cletus. Where they worry you?
What's up?
Why you open gate for him? Eh?
Which one they talk about?
Why you open gate for him?
You want this me? Which one they talk about?
No, but you know say at this point be shout for me. I mean, you be senior person that you apply for this place. Now me go determine if you go be here or not. So I'm going to think what you want to talk about. You see that woman? You see that woman where follow for that woman come back. See that woman? You have fair for everyone. We fine. We get fine shape. We come back.
I'll put plenty get.
You see that woman? I don't use that joke. I like her. Now you don't go open gate for that man. Now you don't enter and go before that the dance. They do like me. If you want to take open gate for him, go there now and go make a come out for that place because that's what they pay me. You don't pay me.
Don't worry, I go know what I go do. No worry, leave man. I see, go there. Make I know what they do first.
Hey, now that the guy has said, you know what you go do. See, don't go to that woman. If you just go there and go begin the IGWE. Brothers! Brothers!
Come, Akachi.
Wait, you know the hell what?
Come.
What's happening now? What's happening? Come like this.
They say what's happening?
They come like this now.
Wait. That thing why I give you. Now all of them way you pack go put inside that meat.
Yes now.
Eh? Hey! God.
I say yes now.
Akachi. Wait, you carry all those things. Go put inside that meat.
Everything now, so you go sweet well. No say people plenty.
Hey.
Let's up everything.
Shut up. What I tell you?
Shut up. What you tell her?
I tell me no put everything. Make put small. You go carry everything to put inside.
Now.
Okay, you want to do ice sabi when they talk say you sabi cook up here? No, your own now. When they teach say you sabi. You if not be smart enough.
You dey go.
Is that?
like this, all of us go follow go house. If like say no wetin dey happen, guy. No be me and you dey here. Make I go know wetin dey even talk.
And I chop that meat oh. Wait, you put that for the one chop? Make I leave it. Sir, I'm coming, sir.
Let me go to your room. Quickly now. Akachi. How did marijuana get into the food?
Marijuana. Okay. Oga Nade and Cletus. Nade give me say make I add am for food. Say if they make food the sweet well. I don't know where it's be. They call them spice. What is A? It be A.
Okay. No point to me. No point to me. Are you alright? Sorry.
Do you have any idea what's just cost me? Do you have an idea what just happened tonight?
You know, you shouldn't have employed them in the first place.
Honestly?
Shut
up! Essence, just shut up. You're an integral part of what happened tonight. You should not have slapped someone who wanted you inadvertently.
Trust, please. Do not do this on me. Of course, you don't know what embarrasses me and gets away with it.
This is your problem. You always need to get vengeance. You need to hit back. You need to strike back. All you have to do is ignore that person. But no, you have to go out and get her it starts.
Wait. What did you just say, Trust? I have had enough of it. I am done ignoring. I ignored your excesses in the past, and what did I get? The status of a baby mama, which by my definition is nothing but a glorified single mother. Now why I live with the stigma of almost being married, you burst in the joy of marriage.
Leave my marriage out of this.
So I will. Only if your wife here will leave another man's child out of the marriage as well.
What are you?
Ask her! Ask her who the father of that child in her womb is.
Essence, are you running mad?
I know exactly
What is this nonsense you're saying?
I know exactly what happened, Michelle.
Michelle!
Get it.
Are you willing to talk? Or should I just be your mouthpiece? Huh?
What's good?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I never wanted to. I'm sorry.
Do what?
She slept with the gatekeeper.
Jesus. Okay. No do am, Oga abeg. Abeg.
His mom? If that woman had any slight opportunity, she would have strangled me.
Wait, what?
Yes.
That's serious. Wow. You know, I just can't wrap my head around the fact that you have to put up with all this. Like, you've been going through all this. Anyways, why don't you leave the hotel, move into my place? I don't like it that you are putting up in a hotel. Come to my place, please.
You see, one of the reasons I love you so much, my friend.
Come on.
You're so kind-hearted. But never mind. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm off to Dubai at least.
Go?
Yes, dear.
Are you for real? Are you sure you can handle all that? What's going on?
I can.
Wow.
So what you go do now?
I'm on a talk now. Since the one when I talk don't make sense.
What do you want make I talk?
Okay. Make I talk again. Tomorrow morning we go there.
We'll go where?
Okay, house now where we won't go before.
Be like someone Oga keep us. You see that insecurity guy? We don't like anybody. A gun, you go take scatter your head. Like you want go? Let go now. You know so Oga the verse. I better go. I'm not going anywhere. Oga no dey happy at all. He say we'll go in your house.
You see him?
That's it one time.
You see him? Now you now one carry us go where we know now. You don't see him now.
How?
I don't first talk this. The condition where you did now, you like how? No, talk. See you did. See Ochiko, you like what you the chop for this house. This time when you hide, come that place. No be salad, the chicken you the chop. Make I tell you, if he never tell you, you see that man with the go house. Now he carry us from street. Say we dey wear better clothes today. Now that man.
That's true.
So advise your husband though. Now we cause the problem when make us, especially this always down here, we make them pursue us come out from that house. Now I call this. Hey. You see, I know don't just talk anything here because the one when I talk, you never even talk anything will make sense for you. Now you even supposed to the ginger because you get work to do. You get need money to take care of baby. Now we cause the problem, we make them pursue us come out. Now you better say we go that place. We go lie down, we go cry, we go jump up, we go do everything. Look, we beg them. Tell us say we go look for solution on how to solve the problem. Because that man too good.
That's true.
I know what you mean the talk, oh. This life when I live now don't tire me. See you they drink, Harry.
No sugar.
You never put sugar?
Woo! Sugar there.
No problem. Ochiko, collect this Gary drink. I don't say you never chop today.
I want your beans.
Advise your husband. Carry this Gary drink now. Make anything not happen to this pikin. Make a shock or not do more.
Yes.
I believe you. I know what you can do. Mommy Gio.
Hallelujah.
More hallelujah.
Praise God.
Okay. Prayer mountain.
Amen.
Oh. So you know that you caused the problem when you caused this condition. You see that prayer, that speaking in tongues where you sabi, start up now. Because you see this mission where we won't go, if anything happen to Ram, if I hear you shout, ha, not to talk of hallelujah, close to me, what I go do you? Start the prayer now. Make it a successful prayer now.
Father, as we dey comot dey go this journey, Father, make this our journey be mischief in Jesus' name. Father, as we dey make this journey, Father, you know say you only alone, nine be solid rock. We want to hit our leg for that rock. We want to hit our leg for that rock. Let me hear you say amen. Hey, Jehovah. Oh, Elohim El Shaddai. Hey, in everything. Oh, I bless you, Lord. I thank you. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, thank you. Thank you. Have answered our prayer. May your name be praised. Holy Ghost fire. Say amen. Say amen. Say. Where they go? They ask us. Where they go now?
They don't go.
Where?
I don't know.
Hey! Cletus! Ade!
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Clap for God. Feliz Navidad. Praise God. Feliz Navidad. Papa. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. Chai. Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. Give God your dance. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Whatever it is you people are doing, stop it right now. I've had more than enough of this. I can't stand you. I don't want you around me. Now please get away from here. You've done enough harm already.
Sir, not me get the pikin with them for Madame Belle.
No do.
How is that possible?
Sir, true. Cletus, you no do.
Oga, Madame been one make I but I know.
Cletus.
Huh?
I hope you know why you're here.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Let's get on why you're here.
Madam, just wait, make I show you something. This medicine.
What is that rubbish?
Madam, now, herbal medicine. The medicine are for women where they find picky. So if you drink them now, go get belly.
Cletus,
huh?
I cannot drink what I don't know. I don't trust all these herbal mixtures. Please, just do what you came here for and get out of my room.
Ma beg, ma tell you something. See, ma tell you true. You see my elder brother, the wife find picking for years. They no see. Now my mama go bring this medicine. As my mama give her, she drink and finish. As my brother hammer am, she born for once. I swear, she born for once. So see this medicine. If you drink and finish, if I hammer you, 4 children.
Cletus.
Ma?
Cletus.
Yes, ma.
Are you very sure about what you're saying?
Ma, see, how I won't take the life for you now. All the things that we promised me, I won't throw it like that. Shay, now you tell me, say, you go give me money, or I go take care of my woman. If I come up for you, where I won't go. I beg. Just take her. Take her. I swear, if you take her finish her, if you not born 4 children, no say no be me. Call me goat.
Cletus.
Ma.
Go to the bed, I will join you.
Thank you, ma.
Oh my God. Oh my God, what have I done? What should I do?
Oga. Oga. You know say na season of love we dey so. If you ask me, Oga, abeg, forgive madam. Abeg, forgive her.
She's not picking.
Go ahead.
Hello? Airport. My wife is going to the airport. I'm going to get her. I'm going to get her.
Hey, make a bring you, okay?
You mean we did not?
Madam, see, you not do anything at all. If you meet Oga after that day where me and you been there, and be say that medicine I give you, you work for your body.
I forgive you. I forgive you from the bottom of my heart. Look, I know that whatever you did because of your desperation. And because you're human, and all of us are human. No one is perfect. I definitely am not. Hey, all I know is that from the moment you left this place, it's never been the same for me. I forgive you and I love you.
Tell me, did you come looking for me just because you discovered the child was yours after all?
No. I came back because I realized no one is perfect. You know, God didn't send his son to come and die for us because we're perfect. He died for us because of our flaws. So I thought to myself, if the owner of the universe could do that, who am I not to do the same thing?
I love you so much, Mr. Trust Coco.
I love you with all of my heart, Mrs. Michelle Coco. Now, why are you doing all this talking? Come over here.
Hey, baby.
Happy anniversary, honey. How are you?
Very well.
Well done.
So, where's my gift?
Just calm down now. Now for you. Baby.
It's the same thing every year. Like, why do you keep forgetting though?
Sorry. Look, I'll make it up to you.
To you. I know. This is the same thing you say every single year, babe. This is not so nice. Anyways, I'm not like you who always forget to get me a gift. I actually got my baby a gift.
Oh. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Look at that. Look at this. Come on, baby. What's up, Grace? How are you? What's up with you?
You're wondering how, right? Just calm down. So earlier this morning, I spoke with Mama on the phone, and guess what? Surprisingly, she was having preparations of coming over here for Christmas. And I think we're kind of on the same page.
Definitely on the same page, my darling. But you know what? As today is a special day, I think both of us are going to go inside the kitchen and make something good for the whole family to enjoy. Okay?
Me now, we'll have a cook. I mean, we should just relax. Today is Christmas.
Forget about them. Today is Christmas, yes? Let's go there and do it. Get up, my darling.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, see you guys later.
Babe, no frying, no frying, okay? Hey, young man, what's up? How are you doing? Let's see you again. It's been so long. You know what I thought about, yeah? I'm going to buy you a game. So I'm definitely going to buy it this time. So buy it. Everything right, okay? I'm going to play that game again.
Soft